Hi everyone, I am Chris. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you already bought a domain name and you don't really know how to upload your website file to your hosting account, then this video will guide you how to achieve that. So in this video, we are going to show you how to upload your website file and connect the database. Okay, so just follow me along. I will guide you how to achieve that. Okay, so as you can see now, this is the folder of the site that we are about to upload. As you can see, the folder is a zip folder. Okay, so you have to zip the folder before you can actually do that. Okay, so this is my hosting account. As you can see, I believe that 80% of web hosting companies have this type of interface. Okay, so now the next thing to do is to open this file manager. After opening it, you go to public_html, then we click on it and we locate the folder of the domain name, which is troubleshooting.xyz. Okay, so we open it. So this folder actually created when you connected your your domain name. Okay, so the next thing to do is to upload the file. Click on this upload and we go back to the folder, the zip folder. We drag it to this our Chrome browser, then you leave it. So as you can see, the folder is uploading. So it has successfully completed. Then you click on this link and wait for it to finish refreshing. Okay, it has successfully refreshed. Okay, now the next thing to do is to extract this zip folder. Okay, now to do that, you go to extract, or you simply right click and you click on extract. Okay, so you click on it, then you click extract files. Okay, then you close it, you close this modal. So in case you didn't reflect, all you have to do is to refresh the page in order to see what you have extracted. Okay, as you can see, it's showing the folder. Okay, then the next thing to do is to open the troubleshooting folder. So you open it, and the next thing to do is to highlight all the folders and the files. So you click on this select all, and the next thing is to click on the move. Click on the move and we delete the current folder name, which is global shippings. We just delete it. After that, you click on move files. Okay, and every file we move to public_html. Okay, so you click on this up one level. Okay, so as you can see, it has moved the folder to public wp-config.php. Okay, so the next thing is for us to go back to our cPanel. Okay, then we go to database, because that's the next thing to do. So all you have to do now is to click on manage my database. Okay, so we click on it, and the next thing to do is to create new database. Okay, so we give it a name. We choose global shippings. Okay, you can choose any name you wanted to be. After that, you click on create database. Okay, then after that you click on go back. Okay, so as you can see, we are seeing the global shippings under modify database. Okay, so the next thing to do is to for us to create a database users. Okay, so the first of all, you have to input the name of the username. Okay, that's the next thing to do. So inside this box, we type in the name of the user. So we choose global shippings. Okay, but we wanted it to be user underscore global shippings. Okay, so that we know that this is a username. Okay, so the next thing is to create a password. In order to save time, we simply click on password generator. Okay, so once we click it, automatically it will create a random password for us, and not only that, it's going to give us a strong password. Okay, so we highlight it and copy it. So we check this box that says I have copied the password in a safe place. Okay, so we click on use password. Okay, so what I normally do after I've copied the password, I have to paste it somewhere. So I open a new tab and paste it here. Okay, so we go back and click on create user. Okay, so we click on it, and we create the user database. Okay, so after that you click on go back. Okay, so the next thing to do is to add user to database. Okay, so first of all, you have to select the specific database user, which is user underscore global shippings. Okay, then we select the name of the database, which is global shippings. Then after that, we click on add. Okay, it will take us to allow privileges, so you have to check this button. We click on all privileges. Automatically it will select all the privileges. So after that, we click on make changes. Okay, then we go back, click on go back. So we are done with creation of a database. Okay, so let's go back to to File Manager. Okay, so this is the File Manager, and the next thing to do is to go to the connection, the database connection. So our own is in PHP folder, so you click on PHP folder and we open this dbconfig.php. So click on edit, then again edit, and this is the connection that leads to our database. So by default the username is root, so we have to change it to the one that we have created. Okay, so we have to go back to our account, our hosting account, for us to get the username. Okay, so you go back and we copy the username. So we copy it and go back to File Manager, and okay, we paste it. We replace it with this root. Okay, so we replace it. After successfully replace it, the next thing to do is to paste the password. So the one with empty quotes is the space for the password. So we go to where we stored it, then we copy it and we paste it inside the quote. Okay, after that, this one is the name of the database, so we have to copy that one as well. So as you can see, we have to copy the name of the database and replace it with this one. Okay, then after that you save the changes and we close it. Okay, so the next thing to do is to log in to the database. So you click on phpMyAdmin. Automatically it will log us into the database. Okay, so this is the database we have created. Then you select it. Okay, so once you select it, the next thing we are going to do is to import the database, the one we have as a file. Okay, so we click on import, and we are going to check where we save the database. So you open this zip file. I think that's where we save it. So as you can see, this is the database, MySQL database. Okay, so what are we going to do now? We are going to simply import the database. Okay, so we click on import, So we are going to click on import, but before that, make sure you selected the specific database that we are about to import. So we click on import, then we choose the file, then we select the database. That's the database. Okay, then you open it and we click on import, and the database tables will be imported. Okay, so we have successfully imported our database. So the next thing to do now, I think by now we are done all the necessary thing that requires with hosting. So let's test our website whether everything is working. So we search the domain name, which is wp-config.php. Okay, so we are going to search it. So yeah, as you can see, we have successfully hosted this mobile shipping website. Okay, so I think the next thing to do is to test our database whether it's successfully connected. Then you check the admin dashboard in order to verify if truly the database connection is successful. Okay, so you have to log in as an admin. So we type the username, which is info@globalshippings.com. Then we type in the password. So I'm going to check the where I saved the password. So I type in the password, then click on login, and that shows that our database connection is working. Okay, so this is the admin dashboard. Okay, so if you like this video and you think that this video helps you, please share it, like it, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Bye for now.